Hi everyone, this is August the 8th, 2024. This is an update on Hive number 1's move. The bees is now on the right side of the road where they're supposed to be. Over here, and if you look, the last video was taken over there, so we've moved all the way there up to here. Currently all the way there and up to in there, it looks like a bee highway. The bees is flying all the way to the original spots, the old foragers, and then they come fly back. Yeah, have a look. I had to close off like that to get the bees to orientate again, but on a daily basis I'm moving it between 2 meters, 3 meters, sometimes 4 per day, and it seems like it's working very well. So this trolley move is working well. You will see over there, over there is where the bees was. Point the finger over there. They call grouping there because the hive was there yesterday and I've moved it over here. But yeah, it's working well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep on watching this channel. I learn, you will learn as well. My mistakes is your laugh. Thanks. Bye.